Car dents, whether from shopping carts, hail, or minor accidents, are a common frustration that can harm both appearance and resale value. While many assume repairs require costly auto bodywork, several affordable alternatives exist. Neglecting dents can lead to rust, corrosion, weakened panels, and reduced structural strength, making timely repair essential. Traditional auto body repair sanding, filling, and repainting is best for severe damage or cracked paint, but can cost $200 to $2,000. For smaller dents, Paintless Dent Repair (PDR) is a cost-effective, eco-friendly solution that preserves the original finish. Dent repairs typically cost $75 to $300 per dent and are often finished within hours, while DIY kits, $20 to $100, offer cheaper at-home fixes but may lead to subpar results and paint damage. Other low-cost methods include heat and cold techniques such as hair dryers, compressed air, or boiling water, most effective on shallow plastic dents. Mobile dent repair services, priced at $100 to $350, offer professional convenience at home. Insurance may cover dents caused by hail, accidents, or vandalism under comprehensive or collision policies, though deductibles and potential premium increases should be considered. Repair options suit all budgets: traditional for major damage, PDR for small dents, DIY kits for minor fixes, and temperature tricks for plastic panels. Prevention strategies such as careful parking, covered storage during storms, and using protective accessories help avoid costly repairs. Ultimately, affordable dent repair solutions preserve both your car's appearance and long-term durability. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstatepdr.com.